Hi guys, if you're trying to launch the Discord application on your PC and seeing nothing but gray screen, there is a simple way to fix it. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and I'll show you everything. Let's go. Well, fortunately my application is pretty fine, but let's imagine this is gray screen. So to fix it you need to open System Tray on the taskbar. Now right click on Discord icon and quit Discord. Next, hit Windows R combination or on your keyboard and type in %appdata %. Now hit enter. Next, find Discord folder in this window and delete this folder. Now close your Explorer and relaunch Discord. And everything is gonna be alright, I believe so. Yes, it is. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.